I'm just getting ready to edit a video series I just did. You've got to check this out. I did this whole thing by myself and it looks like a professional did it, and I probably saved myself $5,000 or $6,000. You want to learn how to do that? Check this out. Hey, you know what? I'm being too kind. I think I saved more than $6,000. Probably, I'm going to save this whole entire project maybe $8,000 to $10,000 for this project. No joke. I am just sore. I've worked on this day and night for the last 10 days. And I got it done. And I just stuck with it. And I just kept plugging along, just like the Energizer Bunny. Little bit, little bit, little bit. And I wanted to share with you this entire video series. Okay? Check this out. Oh, I still can't believe I'm done with this project. Nice ceiling, huh? Standard ceiling. Well, it wasn't like this about 10 days ago. Yes, all this stuff had to come down. And it's all back up into place, all nicely clean. It doesn't even really look like I was in here. Looks like this ceiling was always there, always meant to be. Welcome to the 21st century, little condo. Yes, and you can do this too. Stick around. You're in for a treat with this video series.